Hello, my name is Taquandra Brown, and this here is my asset map presentation of Robeson County substance abuse. Here to my left, I have my legend is coordinated. I have my categories are mental health, treatment centers, medical service, self-care, recreation, spirituality, nature, and arts and craft. When we look under mental health, it is in blue. When I scroll down the treatment center, it's in yellow. When we scroll down the medical service, it's in orange. And when I scroll down to self-care, it's in purple. The recreation is in red. Spirituality is in gray. Nature is in green. And arts and crafts is in purple. And I feel like I try to match my points with the color that associate with it, because I feel like mental health would be like a blue color, treatment centers would be yellow, like when we think of medical service would be an orange, like self-care, I think the color purple pops forward. And when you think about recreation, I think about, like fire, so I put that in red. And when you think about spirituality, I put it in gray. I feel like that's the most color I associate with it. And when I think about nature, I put this here in green, and arts and craft, which is in purple. So as we scroll up, you see all my points here on the map. Like it's spread out all over the place, but that's fine. So here's a couple that I would name off the mental health, if not some but all. We have the Robeson Family Counseling Center, the RH Behavior Health, the Alternated Care Treatment, Stephens Outreach Center, Advantage Behavior Health Care, Monarch, RH Health Services. And if I click on Monarch, it's located right here. Monarch is located right here in Lumberton. And when I click back, we have the Advantage Behavior Health, which is located right here. If you want me to click on it to go back. And if the Alternate Care Treatment, which is located right here in Lumberton as well. And as we scroll down, we're going to move to treatment centers. Treatment centers, we have Lumberton Treatment Center, North Carolina Youth Violence Prevention Center. Like I said, once again, it's in yellow. And if we click on Lumberton Treatment Center, it is located right here in the yellow. And when we go back, if we click on the North Carolina Youth Violence Prevention Center, it's located right here, the North Carolina Youth Prevention. And as we scroll down, we have the medical service. We have Robeson Healthcare Corporation, Palmer's Prevention, Southeastern Regional Medical Center. We have Lumberton Healthcare. If we click on Southeastern will be located right here. And that's the hospital. If we click on Palmer's Prevention, it's located right here, and it's actually located in Pembroke, North Carolina. And as we scroll down, I did self-care. Because people, with substance abuse to get their well-being, sometimes you need self-care. So I put Planet Fitness, which is, get more exercising. I did Pembroke Library, Robeson County Public Library, I did Hector Library, Mary Livermore Library, Library Gilbert Patterson, and Roland Public Library. And this one resource, the Mary Livermore Library, is located in Pembroke on UNCP campus. And I feel like the library, reason why I incorporate the libraries, because People can self-care by reading. Some people self-care different. They really go exercise and stuff. And not only that, they go to the parks and stuff, but we'll get more into that when we head on to the nature side aspect. Okay, here we go. When we scroll down, we have recreation, we have the Boys and Girls Club, and we have the Lumberton Golf Club. And when we click on the Lumberton Golf Club, it's located right here. We click on the Boys and Girls Club, which is located right here, as you can see. When we scroll down some more, we have spirituality. And these right here are just churches. It's a lot more, but I only put a few because I've been putting, honestly, there are 89 churches in Lumberton and more in Rolling Red Springs, so it would have been a whole lot of churches to put up here, but I just put a few. We have East Lumberton Baptist Church. We have First Baptist Church. We have Trinity United Methodist Church. We have Hope Grove Baptist Church, Pembroke First Baptist, Mount Olive Pentecostal Holiness. We have Roland. We have Westside Baptist Church, St. Joseph MRC Solid Rock as well. And a few churches, I'm going to go to Lumberton First Baptist, which is located right here. We go back, I'm going to do Roland churches, located right here, just one of them. And St. Joseph is located right here in Red Springs, North Carolina. Like I said, it's a lot more churches, but I've been here forever putting up churches. Right here, we have nature. We have Luther Brick Park. We have James L. Stephen Memorial Park. We have Goblin Heights Community Park, Lumber River River Trail, Lumber River State Park, and Lumber River State Park Wire Pasture. So when we click on Luther Brick is located right here in Lumberton. And when we click on James L. Stephen Memorial Park is located right here. And one more I want to point out is the Lumber River State Park is located here. And as we go down to Arts and Crafts, we have Exploration Station and a Peace Gallery. And when I click on that, it's located right here in Lumberton. And we also have the Inner Peace, which is located right here in Lumberton. And when you look at the SS map, you see we have like a lot of mental health treatment centers. We have medical service, stuff for self-care, recreations, a lot of churches we can depend on. We got places for nature, but we have a little bit arts and craft. And I feel like we need more arts and craft for the youth. That's what Robeson County lacks, is more arts and crafts for the youth. And I feel like they had more arts and craft, it would draw a lot of youth in instead of drawing them out to like substance abuse, to do drugs and stuff. So this is what Robeson County lacks, is arts and craft. And some of the stuff that I was searching, I didn't know about, but this really helped me find what Robeson County is lacking in. And if you want to move around on my map, you see like the points and stuff. If I didn't really get to all of it, but here you have an idea of my points and stuff here. And this concludes my Robeson County substance abuse resources presentation, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.